Hi, good morning, friends. Welcome to MNP Skill Development Center. Friends, in this session, we will talk on the subject direct tax and how it goes to build a career path. Direct tax as a subject is not new to those who belong to commerce discipline. But over a period of time, this subject has assumed importance for the simple reason that the government has become stricter on tax compliance rules and regulations. Hence, it has created interests among non-commerce group also. Before I start talking on direct tax, let me tell you that there is a misconception about direct tax, as people think that direct tax tells us how to calculate tax only. Friends, don't be under this misconception. Direct tax not only calculates tax, but it goes beyond this. Direct tax is a tax imposed upon a person or property. This is distinct from a tax which is imposed upon a transaction and which is described as an indirect tax. Direct tax is covered under Income Tax Act 1961, whereas indirect tax is by and large covered under GST Act, which came into force in the year 2017. The responsibility of collection of tax rests with Income Tax Department, which is a government agency and functions under the Government of India. There are 5 sources of income on which direct tax is levied: income from salary, income from house property, profits and gains on business or profession, and income from other sources, that is, the sources which is not falling under any of the heads just talked about. These are all revenue in nature. There is another source of income which is capital nature, and that is called income from capital gains. Friends, when I said direct tax not only calculates tax, but it goes beyond, I meant the contents which have been shown as pointers in the slide in front of you, on which a tax professional needs to develop his expertise. These are clubbing of income, tax planning, which normally we understand by deductions from gross total income, computation of taxable income, ascertaining tax liability, advance payment of tax provisions, PAN related issues, tax deducted at source and tax collected at source, and of late, the most important thing which has assumed importance is that e-income tax and e-payments. Friends, the environment under which a tax professional operates, expectations from them have undergone significant changes, especially over the last few years. These changes have transformed the very skill sets required to operate the tax function. Couple of years ago, we were seeing traditional approach in tax function. Traditional tax professional interpreted the tax law and applied his knowledge to determine the tax obligations of the client or the company he or she is serving. On the other hand, the tax authorities also traditionally looked at summary level data and dug into details only on an exception basis. So most of this application of tax knowledge was done on summary level data. A tax professional also, with expert level tax knowledge and working level accounting knowledge, was therefore considered amply qualified. But since then, we have seen change in approach, and that is called digital approach. Tax authorities now have an ocean of data at its fingertips, on which sophisticated data analytics is applied to identify potential tax leakages and anomalies and conduct assessments at extremely granular levels. Digital trust is also growing. People are accustomed to have information at a click of a button and expect the same from everyone. So, tax professionals not being an exception anymore. So, under such a situation, what are the challenges in front of a tax professional? Tax professionals today therefore need to respond to their clients' needs and be able to consume data at the same level at which tax authorities do. Towards this, they now need to know both their data and the processes that create their data better. Tax professionals therefore need to add a few more tools to their skill kit. Ideally, there are 7 skills you need to excel in a career in tax. The first one is communication. When you work in tax, you need to explain complex regulations in a way non specialists can understand. Numeracy. You need not be a mathematician because plenty of humanities students get into tax. If you can make anyone understand with your calculations and numerical applications, that will be enough. Time management, commercial awareness, problem solving skills, attention to details are some of the skill sets that a tax professional needs. Now, what are the responsibilities of a tax accountant? Primarily, a tax accountant is responsible for preparing tax payments. He is responsible for estimating and tracking tax returns. And finally, he is responsible for completing regular tax reports, which are either quarterly or annually. So, friends, if you now want to choose taxation as a career, then you need to compete in real world of e-accounts and taxation to upgrade the skill set time by time. At MNP, the trainer helps you to understand all accounting and taxation compliance in live environment with best case studies. At MNP, we provide one of the best e-taxation, e-accounting expert level program in live environment to the fresher, to the beginner, and even to experienced in a very short time duration with certification. So come and join us. Thank you.
Why MNP? MNP is the largest private campus in Bengal. We proudly say that MNP Skill Development Center, spread over 60 kata of land, 3 acres, is the biggest private campus offering job guarantee and vocational courses. Number 2, global certification. With most of our courses, you get double or triple global certification options, which symbolizes worldwide accessibility, credibility, and authenticity. Live projects and internships. Only computer exposure is not enough. We provide you real world practical cases where you work in live projects, and we provide internships also for making your industry ready. Best location connectivity. Our students are happy commuting to our Beleghata campus, which is very well connected from all parts of Kolkata, Shialda, Howrah, and airport. All kind of public and private mode of travels are available. 100% placement record. Place candidates are our real success. We have created hundreds of success stories of our students getting placed with 100% successful track record so far. Zero cost financing option. Getting world class training is now truly affordable. We provide zero cost financing option where you get easy EMI option with 0% interest rate. soft skill grooming. With every job guarantee course, we provide complete grooming session on communication and personality development free of cost. Thank you.